In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale frames with content in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the frame you want to adjust. The key to scaling correctly is using the scale tool rather than just dragging the frame's edges in move mode. The scale tool resizes everything proportionally, which means text sizes, stroke weights, effects, corner radii, and spacing all scale together. This gives you a clean, unified result without having to manually fix details afterward. Select the frame you want to scale, either by clicking it directly on the canvas or by choosing it in the Layers panel. Make sure the blue selection highlight surrounds the entire frame, not just a single layer inside it. This ensures that every element within the frame is included in the scaling action. Activate the scale tool by pressing the K key on your keyboard. If you prefer the mouse, you can also find it in the toolbar under the Move tool dropdown. When the scale tool is active, your cursor will change and the handles around your selection will indicate that you are in scaling mode. To resize, click and drag any corner handle of the frame. As you drag, you'll see the frame and all of its content scale in perfect synchronization. Fonts will grow or shrink smoothly, stroke weights will stay proportional, and effects like shadows will remain balanced. This is especially helpful for UI elements, icons, or components where visual consistency matters. Move steadily and use the on-fake canvas guides to keep an eye on the new size as you go. If you need an exact size, use precise scaling in the right sidebar while the scale tool is active. In the Scale panel, enter a specific scale multiplier, such as 2x to double the size, or type an exact width or height to hit a target dimension. Figma will keep everything proportional when you use the multiplier, and applying exact width or height will scale the contents accordingly. This is great when you are preparing assets for different screen densities or adapting a layout to a new frame size. When you are done, review the frame to confirm that everything remains legible and balanced. The beauty of the scale tool is that it handles the details for you, so you can focus on design quality rather than cleanup. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.